Hey, you guys, it's Whiskey back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you smack the bell. Make sure that you subscribe so you can get notified when I post a video, and like, share, and comment. And let's just dip off into this video. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about your third eye in this little area right here. I'm going to be talking about 6 signs that you're perceiving your third eye to be open and activated. The first way that you would know that your third eye is open is if you start feeling this tingly sensation right here. Also, I'm playing third eye music and shit like that. So, if you're noticing that your third eye is tingling right here, because boo, that bitch will go the fuck off. Like, I done had this feeling of it tingling and pulsating, and I know that is a very big way that a lot of people know that their third eye is opening, and many people have told me that that's how they're perceiving their third eye to be open, is that they will feel this heat or this pulsating or this, like, you'll start getting headaches or like even fucking fever sometimes from your third eye starting to open. But that's because it's decalcifying itself. So as it's cleansing, it's trying to wash out all of that low vibrational energy, so you can feel the heat or whatever it is just moving that energy away, so it can activate and open clearly, so you can tap into those higher realms. So because you cannot be able to access those higher realms with a low frequency third eyebrow, so to tap into those things, your third eye is cleansing and clearing itself so it can access those realms of existence and those dimensions that are higher frequency, if you so choose to elevate your third eye. But most likely, if you are opening it up more and more and practicing on becoming more aware and activating your third eye, you're going to naturally raise your vibration to those dimensions and those ways and level of things. Second way that you would know that your third eye is opening is if you start seeing signs and synchronicities. So wow, as I'm saying that, like, I just see these words in bold fucking letters, just like signs and synchronicities. That's your third eye opening up big time. Because it's accessing those higher realms, it's accessing that spiritual knowledge, it's tapping you into your spiritual guidance system, your sense of perception of self, you know. So you're picking up on these messages that are surrounding you. You could be seeing angel numbers, 111, you know, 222, whatever it is that is telling you that you are activating your light body. Third eye chakra is linked to that spiritual realm, so it's going to tap into all of those different messages that are around you. No matter what it is, it could be words, numbers. I'm seeing 333 right now. All of that good shit. You know what I mean? Speaking about it, I actually just feel my third eye and my crown just like sourcing in this energy and it's just flowing up. So I don't know where that's coming from, but interesting feeling, right? Third way to know that your third eye is opening is if you start perceiving auras and energetic fields. So if you know what an aura is, it's basically that, or if you don't know what an aura is, it's your energetic field that is surrounding. It shows, it indicates the emotional body and how you're feeling and what kind of energy that you're sourcing in around you. So if your aura is dense, it will high key be like torn, and you'll feel like, or you'll be able to see these like weird ripples and things within the aura, and it doesn't look natural. You can also feel when somebody's aura is out of balance or very unaligned or protected or things like that. You can sense all of that. So being able to see the auras is a part of your eye opening. You know, you can see the energy within everything, because everything is energy. What you are perceiving is the energy that is around you, that is of you. You know what I mean? Because when you're tapping into your sense of self and your soul and your being, you are energy. So you're able to notice the energy that is around you and perceive that, because it is all energy. You know what I mean? So you're going to be able to notice that everything is motherfucking energy around you, because bitch, you just energetic motherfucking vibration. You're a spiritual being in this human body. The fifth way that your third eye is opening is if you start seeing your spiritual guides or entities in general. So little backstory on me when I first opened up my third eye. Scary as fuck, because scary as fuck, because you want to know why? Like, I started seeing faces when I felt it pop open. Like, I literally felt my third eye pop open, and I could see the spirits, the eyes just staring back at me. Like, they were just showing me a whole bunch of eyes just staring back at me, and I can see them in the clouds and stuff like that. Like, you can see all different spiritual entities and energetic entities because they're of energy. So like how I said in the last one, you're starting to perceive the energy they're energetic beings. So you're going to be able to see beyond the veil. The veil is thinning, so your third eye is opening up. You know what I mean? That veil was keeping this bound in this kind of, you know, it was keeping a veil between the spiritual realm and the physical realm. So if you're too much in your lower vibrational or ego body, you won't be able to see those spiritual entities until you tap more into a higher vibration of yourself and notice that you are everything that is around you. I mean, so just being able to see that low key, which is like, well, what the fuck? So I do know this is another thing that when you're opening up your third eye, you'll start to see is spirit guides, spiritual, you know, other entities of other realms, because your third eye is linked to the spiritual realm and of the higher vibrational energies and stuff. If you do align yourself to a higher vibration, because you want to make sure that you keep these things protected. I'm wearing amethyst right now. Also, if you like check out my crystal jewelry shop, you can go ahead and motherfucking do that. But yes, these things are of the spiritual energy realm. So if you're opening up your third eye, you're going to be able to see the spiritual entities that are, residing around you and in your space that you probably were not able to see before. So I would recommend too, if you are starting to see these things, that you protect your energy if they are low vibrational spirits, and yeah, make sure you just keep it cleansed and you aren't trying to dabble into too. People say that you shouldn't open up your third eye, but I mean, everybody's third eye is open, so that's kind of dumb as fuck to me. It's just my opinion. It's kind of dumb as fuck, but your third eye is open already. It's just about how activated it is. You know what I mean? So when it's becoming more activated and more decalcified, you start to tap into different abilities. That's just about it, But other than that, your third eye is already open because you're already able to perceive certain things. You're just not too much aware of it. And that leads me to my fifth reason. When you are opening and activating your third eye chakra, you become more aware of your abilities. You become more aware of who you are. You become more aware of yourself and who you've come here to be and who you are. You are just, everything is just reminding you of who you are at the end of the day. That's all that it is. Everything is a reflection of you. Just looking, as you're looking at it, it's looking back at you, just showing who you are. Everything and everyone is a reflection of you. And you find out your sense of self through opening and activating your third eye, because you tapping into who you are. You know what I mean? You're seeing and perceiving things from a different perspective, and you can actually see all perspectives and start noticing things from a multi-dimensional kind of energy when you're opening up your third eye, because those are linked to different realities and dimensions and parallels of energies and things like that. So as I'm activating, and as you're activating your third eye, you become more perceptive and aware of who you are in the sense of self-identity, and not from that ego and lower self. It's more from your higher energy and higher body, because your third eye is linked to your higher self. So I'm learning more of who I am every single moment, and I know who I am within every single moment. And that's not a bad thing. That's actually a great thing, because you get to live out your purpose and you're trusting yourself. The sixth and last way to know that your third eye is opening and you're perceiving it to be open is effortless manifestation ability. So for me, as I'm starting to open up my third eye, I can see different abilities. Things are happening that are shifting my vibration to a higher realm and to a higher energetic frequency. So hopefully I'm not using, no, I don't give a fuck. I probably am using big words for people, but y'all, I'm pretty sure y'all can understand. Just like how I'm seeing these fairies and stuff fly by, it just gets me every time that I'm able to see that shit. Like, I'm not even gonna cap, it really does. But as I'm just, and as you are opening up your third eye, you can easily manifest these things because you are in a different dimension or awareness of self. Dimensions are just states of consciousness within your being of awareness. So if my state of consciousness is raising its vibration to a different dimension, I will start to perceive reality from a different perspective. So my manifestation abilities are shifting. They're activating. And if you're able to perceive things from a different perspective, you can, like if you have money issues, you're seeing it from a perspective of, now I know, since my sense of self knows itself and I know myself, I know that I'm meant to be wealthy. I know that I'm meant to have all of the money that wants me. Shit, I want all of the money, so the money want me too. The fuck? Like, I'm successful as being, you feel what I'm saying? So These are just things that come in as you're activating your third eye, is your effortless manifestation abilities. And these are tapping into different abilities. Like how I was talking about at the beginning, I can see words as I'm speaking about it big. So like, let's just say if I'm talking about money, I will see the word money is an effortless manifestation within my reality. And I can just see that effortlessly and just become me and who I am. You know what I mean? Because I'm an effortless manifestation of everything great, and so are you. You know, so see that for yourself. See it for yourself, because that's who you are. You are everything great. You are everything, and everything is you. You know what I mean? Everything great. That was it for this video, you guys. I really do hope that you enjoyed this. If you did like it, make sure that you share this off to somebody else, and comment down below some other tips and things that you have about, you know, your third eye being open, or how you're perceiving it to be open. As well as if you would like to share, like, and subscribe, you can do that. And check the description box below for any other information, such as how to book a session with me, how to donate to this channel, and what else can you do? Buy some crystal jewelry for me. You know, I sell a whole bunch of different jewelry that's on my channel. I mean, on my Etsy page, what the hell? So you can check that out, and I love you guys so much. Peace.